good friends, so the first thing you want to do before you even cut the eyeball is to identify the extrinsic eye muscles. Okay, like I said, the human only has 6. The rectus is at the 4 compass points, which will be north, east, south, west, or whatever the deal is. Okay, that, that's where the rectuses are, and they will be coming straight from that compass point going outwards. Okay, then there will be 2 obliques, one on the long side and one on the short side. Okay, so the way you start on the short side. That is busy. So this short side, you see, this is what I mean by short side. This is the short side. There is the long side. There is the long side. So you start with the short side. Okay, you see this short side, it's only as this one, right? So this short side is not what we're looking for. Obviously by default, then this is the other short side. Okay, so this is obviously the medial one. Okay, towards the nose bridge. Okay, so this is, you see, on this side, you can see the rectus, but this muscle here, this is what I was hunting for. You see how it's cut off? It's coming from this, it's coming down here. Okay, this would be the inferior oblique right here. I'm sorry that it's been cut off, but all the pictures I have, all the muscles are there. Okay, so this would therefore be the lateral rectus. It means on this side. See, there's more space to put muscles on this side. That's why this short side would have 2, and the one by the nose bridge, because you've got the nose in there, you got all the olfactory stuff and whatnot. So that's why you can use that rationale to say the medial will only have 1. So this will be the medial rectus, because we've determined this is the lateral rectus, because there is the inferior oblique here, which unfortunately is cut off. Some of you guys may have it. So if this is the inferior oblique pointing towards this long side, you know this long side is so this on the compass point will be the inferior rectus. And you will know that there's only one inferior rectus here. So if this is the inferior rectus, this other long side has to be the superior side. And like I said, you will see 2 muscles. One, which is the superior rectus, and then this one, which is the superior oblique. That will confirm that indeed that's the superior side. You see what I'm saying? All because you started on the short side, where you have this lateral rectus, and there's this oblique, which is, some of it is still there. You see the remnants of it. You see how it points towards this, and this long side would be the inferior rectus. Okay, if this is the inferior side, then by default the other long side is superior, and you will confirm it because you will see 1, the superior rectus, and 2, the superior oblique at an angle. Okay, and then we've already said this is the medial rectus. Okay, in the human you would be done, but this is a ruminant. You see, there is the retractor bulbi, you see, on the back. Okay, so the trick is when you cut through the sclera, you would have to cut between the retractor bulbi and these muscles. So you scoot these rectuses and obliques to the front, because if you cut through here, you're gonna cut this off. You don't want to do that. So you just have to sort of snake your way over here like this as you cut. Okay, making sure the rectuses are still attached and the obliques. Okay. No. You start off with a scalpel, but you finish it off with a pair of scissors. Because if it's a scalpel, you finish it off, and this thing is slippery as hell, and you cut your little finger. You see what I'm saying? You don't want to do that. Okay, so this is, like I said, is a very few times we're going to use that. I'm going to go in, and I'm going to need the scalpel in a hand. My good lady. And this is Sophia, right? Okay, good. I just want to remember your names. Oh my God, this is the worst knife on earth. I'm sorry, Sophia. I'm going to have to get another one which doesn't have rust on it. Oh, that's better. I mean, that's the worst. They should be putting those with rust and stuff like that. Okay, my good friends. So, oh, this is on. Thank you. Okay. So, you know what I'm going to do? So that it's not too long a video. We've identified all the 7 extrinsic eye muscles, correct? We're comfortable with that. So we're going to switch it off right now, my good friend.